Los Angeles is changing fast. From waterfront parks to net zero carbon neighborhoods, from subway tunnels to towers piercing the skyline, 2025 is a turning point for LA. In this video, we're counting down 5 mega projects under construction right now that will redefine how this city lives, moves, works, and plays for decades. Whether you love architecture, urban planning, or just want to see the future of a city on the rise, you'll want to stick around. Let's dive in. West Harbor, San Pedro waterfront reborn. Down by the water in San Pedro, one of LA's boldest transformations is underway: the redevelopment of the former Ports Oak Hall Village into West Harbor. Spanning 42 acres by the Port of Los Angeles, this massive waterfront project aims to bring a brand new public market, waterfront restaurants, retail, entertainment, and open-air community space. Once completed, targeted for 2025, visitors will be able to stroll along piers, dine with harbor views, catch outdoor concerts, and enjoy a modern civic waterfront that feels more like a vibrant seaside town than an industrial port. What makes West Harbor especially exciting is how it transforms a long underutilized industrial shore into a public-facing space, breathing new life into San Pedro, boosting local economy, and redefining what LA waterfront can be. Olympic Plus Hill, a new icon in downtown LA. Right in the heart of downtown LA, near LA Live and the Crypto.com arena, the skyline is rising with Olympic Plus Hill, a 54-story, 590-foot glass and steel residential tower. Once a parking lot, this corner at 1000 South Hill Street is becoming one of the tallest new residential towers in the city. With hundreds of new apartments and ground-floor retail planned, Olympic Plus Hill embodies LA's push toward dense, vertical urban living, giving residents walkable access to the entertainment, nightlife, and downtown culture. As LA densifies, projects like this signal a shift. More people living where the action is, fewer commutes, and a skyline that's evolving fast. Habitat, sustainable living and working in Culver City. In Culver City, a neighborhood blending creativity, tech, and culture, a new benchmark for sustainable urban development is being built. Habitat. This mixed-use campus features a 12-story multifamily residential building with 260 units, plus a 253,000-square-foot creative office building, retail, restaurant space, and a full acre of public open space. But Habitat isn't just about density, it's about sustainability. Designed by global developer Lend-Lease with Aware Super, the development is all electric, features rooftop solar, dedicated EV charging parking, secure bike storage, green building materials, and targets LEED certifications, gold for residential, platinum for commercial. Scheduled for completion in early 2026, Habitat aims to offer a modern, low-carbon lifestyle. Work, live, commute, and relax, all in one walkable, transit-friendly community connected to public transit and the city's bike network. For a city grappling with climate challenges and housing pressure, Habitat represents a glimpse of a greener, smarter Los Angeles. LA Convention Center Expansion and Modernization Project, a global-scale venue for LA's future. Downtown Los Angeles is about to get a major infrastructure upgrade with the monumental LA Convention Center Expansion and Modernization Project. Officially breaking ground in October 2025 after city approval, this $2.6 billion initiative will connect the existing West and South halls with a brand new contiguous exhibition hall, adding 190,000 square feet plus nearly 40,000 square feet of meeting rooms and 95,000 square feet of multi-purpose space. Inside, the new SkyNode atrium will channel natural light deep into the building, creating airy, inviting public spaces that blur the line between interior and street-level experience. Economically, the project aims to create 15,000-plus jobs, generate significant tax revenues, draw in millions of visitors annually, and re-energize downtown,
especially important in the run-up to the 2028 Olympics hosted in Los Angeles. When complete, full project expected by spring 2029 with Olympic readiness by 2028, this will be a convention, exhibition, and event venue on par with the biggest in the world, a symbol of LA's ambition to be a global hub for business, culture, and entertainment. The expanding subway, D-Line extension, West Side and Beverly Hills. Infrastructure is as transformative as skyscrapers, and LA's subway network is expanding rapidly. The D-Line extension, formerly known as the Purple Line extension, is pushing west, adding new subway stops across Beverly Hills, Century City, Westwood, and the West Side, bridging a critical transit gap. As of 2025, stations like Wilshire La Sienna Station are under construction, with others to follow, bringing LA closer to a modern, interconnected public transit system. Once complete, the extension will offer a seamless ride from the West Side to downtown, cutting travel times drastically and offering an alternative to LA's infamous traffic. For a sprawling city long defined by car culture, this expansion represents a paradigm shift, a future where public transit, walkability, and accessibility shape how people move and live. 2025 is more than just a year. It's a turning point for Los Angeles. From waterfront promenades to carbon-neutral living towers, from world-class venues to underground subway tunnels, the city is reimagining itself. These 5 megaprojects show that LA isn't just building, it's redefining its identity. A future-focused city that embraces density, sustainability, culture, and connectivity. If you enjoyed this glimpse into LA's future, give this video a like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss future deep dives. Drop a comment below. Which of these projects excites you the most? Until next time, thanks for watching and keep looking up.